How to fix Telegram not connecting on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram not connecting on Android phone. First open the settings. First go to Play Store and check if there is an update here. If you find an update here, just update your Telegram and now your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings and then apps, and now apps again, and here just type Telegram and click on it, and then go to storage, click clear cache, and now go to data usage, and this one here, background data, allow it and allow roaming data, and now click force stop, go back, restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, and see you in the next video.